Lord, the wind can leave you shivering as it waltzes on leaves, then rushing through my timber till your love brought on the spring. Now the mountains are blushing and they don't know what to say, except a good long line of praises for my lovely Lady May. Now I ain't the toughest hickory your rags has ever felt, but I'm a hickory just as well. Oh, I'm a hickory all the same. I came crashing through the forest as it cut my roots away, and I felt a good long